Hey guys, VesselSense here. I wanted to show you this brand new device. It's a Waveshare RLCD display. It's actually got an ESP32-S3 board, and I have it hooked up to Signalk. Right now it's in deep sleep, and I'm able to press this button and take it out of deep sleep mode. It's a custom programmable button. So I'll go ahead and just, you can see here that's Signalk connecting a Wi-Fi on the IP, and now it's subscribing to wind, heading, solar, and battery current. So you can see it's actually refreshing at 1 to 2 hertz, which is great. Plenty fast enough for us to kind of keep track of what is happening on about a 1-second interval, maybe a little less than that. As far as the information that you see here, you also see a battery percentage here. So it's actually battery power. This is portable. You can actually just pick it up. You can see there's no wire connected. Let me flip it over so you can take a look at the back side and see kind of what this board looks like, and then we can kind of take a look at each of the features. Right here you see 3 buttons: boot, power, and key. So far I've only been able to power off the device fully, where it's not drawing any current. But to get it to power back on, I actually have to flash the firmware again, so that's not really useful. So that key button here is actually what I use for deep sleep. So that's triggering deep sleep. Enable that, and then pushing the button again turns it off. Additionally, we've got a couple of ports here. We have a real-time clock battery. So what's nice about this is it actually can keep its own time, and it uses a different battery than the built-in battery here. And then SPK, which is the speaker. So you can plug in a speaker and get audio out of this thing. Additionally, it has a regular battery for being portable, and then it's got the GPIO headers that you can see there. So we've actually got like SDA, SCL for I2C connection. We've got also the ability to power it from here using 3.3 volts instead of using the USB or battery. And then we've got some standard GPIOs for digital input, things like that, regular pins. And then you can see here, that's the actual ESP board, which I think is just room, WROOM. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Oh, and then the USB-C port, there it is. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. I think you can also add some storage if you wanted to. There is a slot for that. Now let's take a look at the display again. So what's great about this is that it is sunlight readable, meaning there is no backlight, so it takes very minimal power draw. It has Wi-Fi, Bluetooth connectivity. I actually have it set up for 4-zone layout, right, where each one of them is kind of drawing different things. Additionally, you could probably do like just a single instrument if you wanted to for something like wind. The refresh rate is sufficient to capture like the changes of wind, direction and speed, things like that, or as a compass. So I'll probably be playing with some more graphical instrument types as opposed to just digital output here. Anyway, wanted to show this to you, and I will be sharing out the firmware that I developed for this, and it will be configurable, so you can choose which network, which Signalk IP address and port, and then which Signalk pass to subscribe to and what type of conversions you want there. So for example, like meters to feet, or radians to degrees, that kind of thing. So anyway, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy.